Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to my channel. It's my new video. I'm gonna show you something different, that is pen drive locking system. How to lock your pen drive. If you lost your pen drive, and here is a lot of important document here. If your pen drive go to the wrong hand, you will be in a trouble. Okay, I have a way to show you how to lock your pen drive without any third-party app and without any software, extra software or third-party app. Okay, your computer has a default software, that is BitLocker, and if you use BitLocker, it will be very protected things to your software, and using the BitLocker you can do anything that you want. You can lock your pen drive, you can lock your drive that you want. Now start it. Now I am gonna start it. Let's start it. Okay, now I am input my pen drive in my computer, and then there my PC, and it is my pen drive. Okay, I want to lock it. Give a right click here, and here we can find a turn on BitLocker. Turn on BitLocker. Go to the BitLocker. Don't remove your drive during BitLocker setup. Okay, here you can check out it. You have to give a password, a strong password. I'm gonna give here a strong password, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You have to give 8-digit number or something low. It's your matter. Okay, I'm just give example to you. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Okay, then next. Then if you forget your password that you given, you need something. You need a recovery key. Here is the option of recovery key. If you forget your password of your pen drive and you don't know, and you have to recover your pen drive, you have to save your pen drive, you have to enter your pen drive, you can take a recovery key. Okay, where you want to save it, that's your choice, and save to the file. I mark it, and I can now I am okay. In my desktop I want to save it. Just save, and it is my desktop. Where is my desktop? Okay, I am in a desktop now. I just save my file in desktop. Encrypted, obviously encrypted. Yes, that is here. Is that encrypting? Okay, here your drive is unlocked. Okay, here your pen drive is locked. Your pen drive is now your pen drive is locked, and here you can see a lock button. Okay, now I'm just exit my pen drive. I am just remove my pen drive, and then again I input my pen drive again. And what is happened? I want to see. Okay, there we can see that unlock is appear here, and I have to unlock it. You have to click 2 times, click it, and here you can see that you can unlock it. What was our password? That 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and we can unlock it. Okay, my drive is unlocked. And then if you want to remove your bit locking system, if you want to remove your lock system, what you do? Oh, okay, there I have a recovery key. And how can we use our recovery key? And I have to disconnect my pendrive again. Again I input my pendrive. Then I will show you how can I use recovery key. We want to use recovery key for the reason of unlocking our pen drive. Okay, here I have to copy my recovery key first. It is the BitLocker recovery key. It is the recovery key. I have to copy it. And then I have to go to my drive. I have to click it. And you can find a more option here. Enter recovery key. You have to enter your recovery key here. And you can find 48-digit recovery key to unlock your drive. 48-digit recovery key to unlock button. You can see that your drive is unlocked by the using of recovery key. If you forget your password, no matter that you forget your password, your pen drive using the recovery key. And if you want to change your password, you forget your password. If you want to change your pen drive password, then what should you do? When you open your pen drive by the using of recovery key, and you want to change your password and you want to unlock your pen drive. You don't want to lock your pen drive. What you do? Okay, then you have to right click your mouse. You have to go manage BitLocker. If you go there, you can see turn off BitLocker. Just click here and turn off BitLocker. Click here. You can see. Okay, you can saw that your bit locking system is off. Just close it and go to the PC and confirm that you don't have the locking icon, you don't have the lock icon. Okay. I'm sure that your bit locking system is unlocked. Thus I want to eject my pen drive again. Again I input my pen drive. That our bit locking system is gone or not. Okay, our bit locking system is gone. I don't have anything in my pen drive. Okay. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and if you like my video, please hit the like button.